right? Guys, today just will give the Java introduction about your Java. So if you have any questions, let me know. We'll go with that questions. And so next few days, next 2 months, what are the topics you are going to discuss? Yeah, yeah. OOPS concepts. Yeah, definitely we'll go with the OOPS concepts, and if you're good with the basics, and we'll go with these OOPS concepts and everything, guys. Group with strings. Loops are very difficult. Loops are very simple, man. Inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, setter and getter methods, overriding concept, overloading concept. Loops are very simple. Loops are very simple. It's fine. I will take care of that points, guys. I'll take care, guys. Because today we'll go for like overview. So what I'm going to discuss with you guys, and what are the things I'm going to provide to you. Yeah. So what's the nodes and all? Yeah, materials I have. See guys, coming to like core Java materials, I will teach like multiple technologies, guys. So I have the multiple materials. I will teach like advanced Java. This is like advanced Java material, class structure, so programs, right? JDBC, servlets, and JSP programs and all. I will teach like core Java. If you open the core Java folders, you will get the core Java assignments, core Java class notes, part 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. And Java entry questions are there. So flow control statements, interfaces, hoops concepts, PPTs, and core Java material is there, guys. Almost all we have like 400 pages material is there. Just definitely I'll share this material with you. Okay, guys, I'll share this complete interview questions, assignments, materials, and PPTs, what I prepared for the previous classes. Everything I'll share with you. Okay, good. There we need to make your, yeah. See the classroom examples. You can write the see running notes if you want. You can write the running notes, guys. That is one thing. Otherwise, just you can see for every batch. Assume like this is a today class notes actually. Today we discuss overriding rules and all for the 8 o'clock batch. Overriding method signature, written type must be same, written type must be same. Today we discuss this class notes actually. So whatever the class notes I done for the today class, this class notes I'll copy. Yeah, I'll copy this class notes. I will create one link for your class. Okay, so we have one website like protectedtest.com website is there. So protectedtest.com slash like core java 8 is there, core java 8. So here it is asking some password. I'll share that password for you guys. Yeah, this is the way how we can share the class notes, guys. Just I'll place the class notes here. I'll place the class notes so that what are the topics we done today, just you can write the class notes for the day, right? Hmm? Group it. Seeing, are you clear, man? So this is the way how we are sharing the class notes, guys. For your batch also, I'll create one link for your class. Anyhow, I will share the PDF documents and PPTs and interview questions and everything to you. Along with that, everyday class notes we will share like this is a pattern, guys. This is the pattern. Day one, day two, and I'll take your mail IDs, guys. These all are the previous class mail IDs. I will take the mail IDs about this your class. Yes, I will take the mail IDs and I will share the material to your mail IDs. Okay, that is one thing. Yes, yes or no? Good. Guys, the first thing is what, guys? So I will share the complete. I will share the. I will share the complete material. Yeah, material and entry questions, interview questions and all, right? Interview questions and all, and even test papers, guys. Because in the topmost companies in the written test, what type of question they're asking, test papers I will share you. Guys, see, it's like every 3 topics, guys, at least 2 3 topics, you need to check your knowledge, right? Because every 3 topics you need to check your knowledge. Do you agree or not? That's what, guys. Every 3 topics and 4 topics, I'll prepare some small test. See, for example, the core Java. If you open like core Java folders, in the core Java folders we have like entry questions are there. Here we have like Java test papers are there. So for the first test, this is the questions, guys. Just you can check the first test, which is like introduction part, flow controls and operators concept. So every 3 topics, I'll share the 20 questions like this. So write the output of this expression, write the output of below code. This is the code. What is the default value for the string? Write the output of below code. One programming question, one theory question is there. One programming question, one theory question. I prepare like this. This is the code, right? Write the output of below code. So ninth one is again a theory programming question, right? Yeah. It's like that. Every 3 topics and 4 topics, I prepare the 20 questions. Yes, definitely it's good for you, right? So every 3 topics, if you are checking your knowledge, whether am I able to follow the class or not, everything is going good or not. Yes or no? Please respond. Every 3 topics, 4 topics, if you take the test like this, it's going to help you, right? Instead of checking after completion of complete core Java, every 3 topics you need to check your knowledge, self analysis, guys, self analysis. I will share these all the questions and the below answers are there. So answers are there. You try to write the exam and you try to check your answers and let me know how many marks you got. That's up to you guys. So that's what I'm saying. Like here, we will share the test papers. I'll share the complete material documents, interview questions, and the test papers, guys. Good. Because even everyday class notes, I will share you. Everyday class notes, we will share you. Everyday class notes, we will share uh, using the link. Using the link. What is the link for your class? Let me create one link, guys. Today class on notes. I'll write the I'll place the link here. Okay, I'll place the link here. For your class, let me create one link for you. So if you open like protectest.com, protectest.com. This is like core advanced Java, guys. If you need only core Java, you can pay for only core Java. If you need advanced Java, you can pay for only advanced Java. If you need the both package means the amount is reduced. If you want, you can take the both core and advanced Java. That's what core advanced. So CORE advanced 9 a.m. Core advanced 9 a.m. Oh, it's already there. Core advanced 9, guys. Core advanced 9. So here this is like assume like demo one, like today's demo, basically demo one, right? Demo one. So just what are the class notes I'm writing here? Today I'll place the class notes here. Okay. So some information I'll write like this. Good. So let me give the password for this one. Yeah, this is the today onwards, guys. Whatever the class notes you are writing in the class, every day the class notes will share using this link, guys. Protectedtest.com/core advanced 9, right? When you're trying to open this link, guys, it is asking the password. The password for this one is Java. For everyone is the same password, guys. Please don't change the password. If one guy change the password, then entire class will be disturbed. Hmm? So I'm sharing this link in here. Just you can check this one. Okay. Good, guys. Hi Ram, I'm new to this batch. I'm ongoing batch, new batch because I want to learn from scratch. Vijayan, Vanj. Hey, today's the first class, right? We are saying like what we are going to give, right? Today's the first class. Why is not? Is not. This point is clear, man. Today's the first class, right? First demo class. Just I'm saying like what we are going to give. I'm saying like complete materials, every 3 topics, test papers, and entry questions, and the class notes. How we will share this using this link, right? Very clear, man. Yeah, Gurpreet Singh, how long this course will going to run? Yeah, exactly. Because if you take only core Java, it will take like because before only core Java it will take the 2 months, guys. Only core Java it will take the 2 months. Before that, yes, clear, sir. So what is the yes regarding course fees? Today you will get the mail after the class. Check the fee structure and you try to complete the formalities. Sir, you teach Java from basic, very basic, yeah, from starting to ending, guys, 0 to 100. It will help for sure, Avinash. Sir, these testers for daily class, no, you get the 20 questions. No. It's for the Gurpreet. For every 3 topics or 2 topics. In the core Java, almost all you discuss like 22, 24 topics almost. Every 3 topics. Once the 3 topics are completed, I'll share the test. 2 topics are complete, I'll share the test. Depends on the topic size. Okay, size of the topics. Today is the first class, right? Yeah, Varun Kumar. You feel like today is second class, huh? Just I'm saying like basic things, right? what the things I'm going to give to you guys, right? Yeah, today first class. Sir, what is the difference between the core Java and advanced Java? That I'll come to that point now. Is any course for the DSA with Java? Gurpreet, first you focus on like development side, guys. Like you see that I'll tell you, Gurpreet. That I'll tell you because what I'm trying to say, see, for example, these days, first you try to get the job, man. Then after that you can think about the DSA. These all are not going to help out you. Yeah, guys. We'll come to this point now. If you go for the local disk Z, so I have some point like core Java. Because these days, industry, most of the technology depends on Java, guys. Core Java only. Most of the technologies, right? So most of the technology depends on core Java, guys. If you want, just you can see this diagrammatic form, one small pointer. What are technologies, guys? These days depends on core Java. So Selenium, guys, automation testing. If you know Selenium like automation testing completely depends on core Java. If you take Hadoop classes, MapReduce programming depends on core Java. Salesforce development is done based on the core Java. Cloud computing, Pega, SAP modules, MDM, Master Data Management, ADF, Application Development Framework, OAF. Okay, these are all the things there. I have much experience on the like multiple technologies. Guys. That's what we know this all clearly. Yes, see this code once. Yes, if you want, just take the snap for this PPT. Any the guys who are paid fees, by mostly day after tomorrow, I'll share these PPTs and documents with you. It's not a problem. But as of now, just you can take one snap. Okay, as of now, just you can take one snap. Okay, Selenium depends on core Java. Hadoop depends on core Java. Pega, Salesforce, cloud computing, Adobe CQ. Adobe CQ depends on core Java. ADF depends on core Java. Application development framework, guys. OAF depends on core Java. SAP modules depends on core Java. Oracle Identity Management. OIM depends on core Java. Android, PLM, Master Data Management, Bootstrap, JavaScript. Because basically in the JavaScript and Bootstrap, yeah, Gurpreet, I'll come to the syllabus now, today itself. Okay. So JavaScript and Bootstrap, TIPCO and the Pentaho, these are all the tools like, Core Java and OOPS concepts. Core Java contains OOPS concepts, man, Jagadish. Yeah. Guys, these are all the points like, these are all the things required definitely Core Java, right? Guys, do you agree or not? These are all the technologies required the Core Java or not, first of all? Guys, these are all the technologies required the Core Java or not? Hmm? Selenium, Hadoop, Pega, Salesforce, cloud computing, Adobe CQ, ADF, OAF. Because even if you don't know, no problem. So if you don't know, just you can try to check. These are all the technologies required the core Java. It means after core Java, Gurpreet, you're able to take this many number of technologies. Which one you're interested, you can move that side. Sir, without core Java, can I take the Selenium class? No, it's not possible, right? It's not possible. Not possible. Take what? Selenium classes, guys. My question is, can you please provide the offline classes for this batch? My question is, can you provide offline classes? No offline classes, guys, only online classes. No offline classes, everything is online now. Is it clear now? Okay, these all the technology depends on core Java, guys. Like after core Java, if you take the Selenium classes, you'll go for the you'll go with the Selenium, right? After core Java, if you take the Hadoop classes, you'll become Hadoop developer, right? Selenium developer, Hadoop developer, Pega developer, right? No, guys, but I want to become a Java developer. Guys, if you want to become a Java developer, just you can check about left hand side, guys. You can check about left hand side. So after core Java, we need to take the advanced Java class. Advanced Java, structure, Spring, Hibernate, web services. These all are Java related, guys. These all are Java related. Guys, right hand side, these are all the technologies. The coding is done based on the core Java. No, sir, I want to become a Java developer means this is the left hand side, guys. This is like a completely Java development. Java developer require these technologies basically. But these days trucks are outdated, JSF is outdated, EJB is outdated, Jasper reports outdated. But these all are Java related information I written here, right? Okay, these all are what Java related information I written, right? Yes, finally, these all the technologies, even though in the EJB, JSF, web services, these are all the technologies which who is the central point, guys. Guys, for these all the technologies, who is the central point? Core Java is the central point, right? That's what, guys. Core Java is very important. Sorry, clear? These all the technologies, guys. These all the technology definitely depends on what core Java, right? That's like your importance of core Java, guys. Hmm? Importance of your core Java, right? There's any questions? Yeah. That is a point, guys. So to become a Java developer, how extent we require the information? Yes, to become a Java developer, this structs, Hibernate, JSF, EJB, Jasper report, structs to these all are not required, guys. To become a Java developer, guys, Java developer, how extent we require means, so we require the two levels, guys. So level one we need, and the level two we need, right? What the level one, level two means, like, level one we need to take the core Java and water advanced Java. Yes, level one you need to take water core Java and water advanced Java, right? Exactly. Yes, level one, like, you can take like core Java and advanced Java. And level two, these days the important things like Spring and Spring Boot classes, guys. The Spring faculty will teach you like Spring Boot also. That's what I'm saying, like what Spring and Spring Boot, right? Spring and Spring Boot, guys. And the next one is like web services required. Web services required and the microservices required. Web services and what microservices, right? Exactly. Guys, to become a Java developer, these days we require the core Java, advanced Java, Spring, Spring Boot, and what web services and microservices, right? Guys, Hibernate is not required, Struts is not required, EJB is not required, JSF is not required. These all are not required, guys. To become a Java developer, just we need to complete these four things, right? Yeah, we require these all the things, guys. Core Java, Advanced Java, Spring Boot. Guys, clarity important. Today is the first class. We need to get the clarity about what you are going to learn in, like, what extent required the data. We need this clarity, right? I hope I'm thinking like I'm giving the big clarity to you. Sir, no, guys. Hmm. I'm not teaching like Amir paid classes like first 10 days they're teaching what is that, what is this, our institute is great. Huh? I am the James Gosling. It's not like that. I think what are the points I'm saying definitely is going to help you, right? It's going to clarify some of your doubts, right? Yes or no? Anyone is feeling like these all are not required? Definitely, first class means we have to do the explanation like what we are going to give and what is the Java and how extend you have to learn. Yes, Amir paid these students also very dangerous, guys. Some students, I'm not talking about all. Some students, they're paying for the package. They're paid for the package, Java package. Morning they are taking core Java. After breakfast they are taking advanced Java. Before lunch they are taking the Spring and Spring Boot. Before dinner they are taking web services and microservices. They are planning like how to complete the courses. They never think about how to get the knowledge. Guys, is that yeah, think about like how to get the knowledge, guys. So you try to get some basics of core Java. After that you can take the advanced Java classes. Okay, I'm good with the advanced Java, core Java, then you can go for the Spring and Spring Boot classes and web services and microservices classes. Yes, completion of course is not important, guys. Try to think about like how to get the knowledge. Okay, can you teach level 2 after this batch? Definitely, we will see like this. So I will teach like Spring Boot, web services, microservices. Complete like week I will take it, not a problem. First you complete the core and advanced, it will take like only if you take the core Java classes, guys, it will take the 2 months classes. Yes, only core Java if you take only core Java, yeah, only core Java, it will take the 2 months, guys. 2 months classes it will take. Even only advanced Java also it will take the 2 months, right? Exactly. Guys, if you're going for only 9 work class, our laptop is mandatory or not? Laptop is mandatory or not? Oh my God. Laptop is mandatory or not means how can you do the practical maths without laptop? Do you have system? See, even you can do the practicals in mobile also by using some online compilers and all, but typing the code and everything in mobile is not possible, right? That's what it's a timing. Yeah, Gurpreet, that's what I'm saying. Like, if you're going for only 9 o'clock slot, first 2 months you'll take the core Java. After that, you'll start advanced Java. Then core plus advanced, it will take the 4 months classes if you attend only 9 o'clock batch. But after core Java 1 month classes, I will start like 8 o'clock advanced Java class is there. 8 o'clock or maybe 10 o'clock. This was 1 hour. Maybe 8 o'clock advanced Java, maybe 10 o'clock advanced Java. After 1 month, I will start. If you attend like after 1 month advanced Java also parallelly, it will take the 3 months classes to complete your course. Okay. Yes, the schedule is clear. If you're going with only like 9 o'clock slot, 9 to 10 Gurupreet, 2 months core Java it will take, 2 months advanced Java it will take, 4 months it will take definitely. But if you take the after 1 month classes, if you take the advanced Java parallelly some other slot, some other timings like 10 o'clock is advanced Java, or maybe 8 o'clock is advanced Java. I will take the 8 o'clock advanced Java or maybe 10 o'clock advanced Java. If you take that class, it will take the 3 months to complete your course, right? Yeah, 3 months it will take to complete your course, guys. Yeah, let's call course duration, guys. Is it clear now? Sir, any evening batches are available, sir? No, 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 man. No evening batches. I think evening 7 o'clock batch is running. 7 o'clock batches, I think 1 week classes are completed. 1 week classes are completed. Jagadish, morning is not possible. You pay the fees. You pay the fees today itself. Take the evening class link, evening 7 p.m. link. Okay. Then basic 1 week classes you can take from 9 o'clock and you can join in the evening class also. After 1 week, you can shift directly to the 7 o'clock batch. 7 p.m. we have the class. Okay, 7 p.m. have the class. Yeah, 7 p.m. have the class, Jagdish. Gurupreet sir, my net can 9 to 10 a.m. core Java. 9 to 10 a.m. is a core Java. Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Java future proof of Java. Sir, Java future proof of job because I listen the Python is not future, man. Java is always future. Python is okay. It's not like Python is very good in the market. Yes, if the Python is good in the market, why this all the things which is running on the Java only still? Guys, these days why the Python word is more popular means number one thing is like these days data science and machine learning concepts are very technology is like increasing, right? Technology is booming, right? So that's what here. That's what uh, these days, which one is important? Data science and machine learning, these concepts are a bit powerful, right? And these data science and machine learning concepts, what they are using, Python using. That's what the Python becomes popular. It's not like companies are using Python to build applications. The companies are still not using the Python to build applications. Only data science and machine learning, artificial intelligence, these guys are using the Python. Because for these guys, most of the libraries are given by Python, right? That's what these days Python becomes more popular, guys, not more than that. Java is always good, but Java is always good. Right? Is it clear now? Java is always good. So because most of the enterprise applications, banking applications, everything is done based on the Java only, right? Yeah, based on the Java only. Amazon, guys, Amazon completely Java. Flipkart is completely Java. Banking system completely Java. Amazon, Flipkart, Twitter, LinkedIn, this social website, Facebook, these all are completely depends on Java, guys. I think Yahoo is from PHP, so most of the things are depends on Java only. Hmm? Good, good, good. Is it clear now? Guys, this is like importance of your core Java. Guys, see, if you are saying like Java is outdated, these all the technologies are outdated, then Selenium is outdated because Java is outdated means Selenium using the Java, then Selenium is also outdated, right? Hadoop is also outdated, right? Because these all guys are believed Java. Java outdated means what? These all are outdated, right? Exactly. Coming to required session, guys, every day once you pay the fees, guys, once if the formalities are completed, so every day you will get the required session to your email ID, guys. Every day we will share the recorded session to your email. Even if you miss one or two classes, guys, even if you miss one or two classes, try to check the recorded session. Try to check the recorded session, come to the next class, right? That will be better for you. Guys, every day we will share the recorded session to your email ID. Okay. And for this batch, guys, we will create the WhatsApp group. Yeah, WhatsApp group. Once the formalities are completed, guys, once the couple of demo classes are completed, the guys who are done the payments, we will create the WhatsApp group. We'll create the WhatsApp group and we will chit chat. Okay. How we can clear our doubts? Just we can talk with me in the class. Otherwise, after class, I will spend 10 minutes time for your clarifying your doubts. If you have any questions, let me know so that I will talk to you and we'll clarify things. Okay. Yeah, these are things, guys. This is like Java dependency. What are the technology depends on Java? To become a Java developer, we require the level 1, level 2. So yeah, level 1, level 2. Can we get the Java offer with this course? No, no, no. You try to take the training and try to apply for the job. Try to apply for the job. And even see in offline days, every 10 days or 1 week, we'll get some companies to our institute. They will recruit some guys. But these days everything is online, right? Yeah. These days everything is online, right? Then you try to complete, try to search in internet and try to attend the interviews. Okay, try to attend the interviews, guys. Hmm? Yeah. Guys, like Java developer is level 1 core Java, advanced Java, level 2 Spring and Spring Boot web services and microservices you have to take it. Web services and what microservices you have to take it, right? Yeah, only core Java it will take 2 months, guys. Only advanced Java it will take 2 months. If you plan properly, after 1 month, if you take the advanced Java, within 3 months you can complete your core Java advanced Java, guys. I will share the complete materials and interview questions and test papers with you. Every day we will share the required session to your email ID. We will create the WhatsApp group for this class, and everyday class notes we will share using the link. Yes, everyday class notes we will share the link using the link productest.com/core advanced 9. Guys, like password for this one is a Java. So anyone is trying to open, just will get the Java as a password, right? Yes, this is the today assume like this is today class notes. Just I will go to this productest.com. This is like demo one. Just I'll place the details here, right? I'll place the details here, guys. Hmm? Yeah, I saved. If anyone try to open this link once, try to check this link is opened properly or not. So this is the link for that. When you open that link, it's asking like password, guys. The password for that link is Java. Java is a password. Java is a password, right? I got it. Just try to open that link, anyone? Try to open that link. Yeah, working, right? Yeah. Guys, if you need the details, if you didn't get any, if you need more details, information regarding the class and everything, you let me know. Regarding fee payments and all, if you have any questions, just you can call to this numbers, guys. Yeah, so you can call to this number like 92. If you have any questions, guys, any queries regarding fee payments and any other things, just you can call these numbers 9246212143, and these numbers are in the WhatsApp also. We just you can ping a message in WhatsApp also. Okay, 9246212143 is a one message, one information, and one more like mobile like 8096969696 80969696 and 96 only. Yeah, these are two numbers you can call. See, if one number is busy, you can call to another number. Even this number is also busy. Just you can call like 8885 252627. Don't say like all numbers are busy. Out of these three numbers, at least one number will work, right? Yes, yes or no? Yeah, this is like details, guys. Details I'm going to take. Hmm? These are the demo one. Yeah, coming to syllabus copy, guys. What are the syllabus I'm going to teach for next two? Guys, coming to syllabus copy. Yeah. Coming to syllabus, syllabus copy for your class, like yeah, this is like core Java schedule, guys. This is like core Java schedule. Yeah, this is the core Java schedule for it. This topic wise, how many hours I will take the topic? Definitely, because we are like we are going for the corporate training also, guys. The corporate training also we need to prepare the syllabus. How many hours you will take that copy and all, right? Yes, see, this is like the recently we started like I started on some corporate training. So every day we have a corporate training, guys. So this is the way how we'll prepare the schedules and all. Like that same we can prepare the schedule for your core Java syllabus also. Yeah, your core Java also I prepared the syllabus like this. Yeah, Java introduction and data types, guys. Yeah, the recently for this one, this is the training schedule for one corporate training or one company, guys. Now, yeah, that is US guys, not for the Indian, it's like US persons. Yeah, yes, Java 8 features. This is the way how we will prepare the schedule for those guys. Actually, they'll not take the complete core Java, right? They'll take just Java basics and Java 8 features. Just to 12 hours class it will take. Hibernate 6 hours, Spring Basics 12 hours, Project Structure 12 hours, Spring Boot is all the classes. Microservices 6 hours. Only the project related information to build application, how extend they require, just we will teach that extends guys. Okay. Yeah. Sir, I want to join the full stack, so can you please 3 months because I 2020 students already learned testing manual and automation, but I want to go for the developer mode. Yeah, you can plan, man. Leela, just you can plan the things. Okay. Good guys. Guys, the same way your core syllabus is there. Just you can check the syllabus here. So Java introduction data types are there. So Java importance, first application, keywords, identifier, coding conventions, Java futures, development setup, data types, underscores in numeric literals, number system, binary, octal, decimal, hexadecimal. Almost will take the 7 hours class, guys, introduction data types, because basics are very important. We will spend some more time on basics, guys. 7 days, 7 hours class will go for Java introduction data types only, right? Next one is the Java operators concept, guys. If you go for the operators concept now, arithmetic operator, relational operators, arithmetic, relational, yeah, arithmetic operator, relational operator, yeah, arithmetic operator, relational, bitwise operator, application level, how to use the logical operator and ternary operators, and flow control statements. You will see like conditional statements, if else, looping statement, transfer statement. So knowing the syntaxes are different, guys, but real time, what are the scenarios you are going for these statement that is important. So we'll discuss about everything real time scenarios of above statements, guys. Real time scenarios of what are above statements, right? Exactly. You go for real time scenarios, definitely. So Java class concept gets variables concept, methods concept, constructors concept, 8 hours class it will take. And the real-time usage of the constructor, real-time usage of the methods. If I said the word like real-time usage means definitely while discussing these concepts, I have to tell like real-time usage, right? If I didn't tell the real-time usage, then immediately you can ask the question like, sir, in the demo class you said like real-time usage, but then we didn't discuss real-time usage like that you can question guys, it's not a problem. Yes or no? Yeah, every topic will go for the real-time usage, guys. Yeah, Java package and modifiers in the real time. How the project is divided into the packages. What are the different normal import and static import? Working with the sub packages, permission modifiers like public, private, protected, and default. Hmm? OOPS principles, guys. What are the OOPS principles? Inheritance, aggregation, composition, polymorphism, encapsulation, abstraction, coupling, and cohesion. These are the OOPS principles, guys. These are like OOPS principles, right? Exactly. Java interfaces, guys, these days very important. Function interfaces, adapter classes, marker interfaces, extends versus implements keyword, Java interface concept, guys. Next is like modifiers concept, and exception handling, guys. In the real time, how to create exceptions, guys. Real time, we have to create your own exceptions and we have to use that exception in our project, right? Real time, we have to create your own exceptions and we have to use that exception in our project. How to create user defined exception, try with resources concept, how to handle. Purpose of throws keyword, handling the user defined exceptions in project level. In project level, how to handle user defined exceptions. Next is the file handling concept, guys. Working with the normal streams, working with the buffered streams. What is the difference between normal streams, buffered streams? How to work with the image data and text data. Next is the garbage collection, guys. Once the object is created, we need to destroy that object, right? How will we destroy the object? How the garbage collector will collect the garbage? That we will see. String manipulations will go for the string class, string buffer class, string builder class, string tokenizer class. These are all the classes, right? So in wrapper class, you can go for the different advantage of wrapper classes, different conversions, auto boxing concept, unboxing concept, comparisons, data comparisons and all, right? Nested classes, we have different types of nested classes, lambda expressions, and multi-threading, thread pooling, thread communications, thread with lambda expressions, hook threads, daemon threads, thread groups, and enumeration concept is there, enum. Enum advantage, declaring user-defined enum constants, enum versus class, annotations, suppress warning, functional interface, deprecated, override, safe error. So these are like annotation, JVM architecture, and the big topic like collection framework is list implementation classes, array list, linked list, vector, and stack, set implementation classes. Set implementation classes, we'll see map implementation classes, different types of cursors, iterator, enumeration, list iterator, data sorting as comparator versus comparable, stream API, filters, mappers, reducers, collections with lambda expressions, collections with method references. Yes, I'm documenting this all. See, if anything is left, otherwise, if anything was not discussed, please let me know immediately. Because today itself, I'll share this link to you, this material with this today itself, I will share this syllabus copy with you. And wildcard symbol, in the project level, wildcard symbol is very, very powerful, guys. Question mark symbol. And networking, AWT, these are outdated concepts, but I'll give some basic information about these concepts also. And Java 8 features, 9 features, 10 features, 11 features, 12 features. The present version of Java is what the present version of Java? Guys, what is the present version of Java? The Java present version is almost, Java 17th is the present version, guys. So anyway, we will see some new features. Okay, so in my system, I think Java 15th version is installed, and last class we discussed up to Java 14th version new features. Java 14th version new features we checked, and I will check. I will check once, and I'll update the new features of Java 15 and 16 also. Okay, yeah, definitely we'll see all the features, guys. And in your system also, you can install the Java 17th version only, latest version only you can install, because maybe we will see like features of 17th versions also. That's what you try to install the Java 17th version. I will show you the installation process to develop the application development setup, guys. In your general companies also, when you join the company, in your system they will go for the development setup first. So what are the softwares required to develop the applications? They install all the software in your system, right? Yeah, you are not responsible to install those software, guys. Definitely IT team will come and will install the Java software, but learning process we need to install your software, right? That I will tell you. Okay, it is all about syllabus copy, guys. This is all about the syllabus copy. Guys, any questions? Tell me. Yeah, this is like demo one, guys. This is like details. If you need any details or more info, just you can call these numbers. And the syllabus copy for this one, just I'm placing the syllabus copy here itself. Just you can check the syllabus copy. You are not audible, sir. Supriya Deshmukh. Remaining guys can hear me. Remaining guys can hear me. Maybe someday maybe network issue, some disturbance is there. Yeah, maybe some network issue, guys. Because today I changed the network actually, that maybe some disturbance is there. Tomorrow I'll use the as usual. Tomorrow I'll use some other. Actually, we have the network issues at my home. The internet cable is someone is somewhere is broken. I'm using like mobile internet, so that's what maybe some case it will be dropped in the middle. But tomorrow onwards there is no problem. Okay, tomorrow onwards there is no problem. Is it clear, right? Any questions? Tell me. I think you got some clarity about what we are going to teach and what the information. We got the clarity, right? Any questions? Tell me. All classes are Going to hell and go to training app. No, 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 no. Bhavali Patan, once the maybe 4 classes, only the demo classes like free classes, right? For you, these are free classes. Those 3 classes, if you have been on the go to training, once the 3-4 days are completed, then they'll change, they'll create the Zoom link and they'll share you the Zoom link, the guys who are paid fees. Okay. So, yeah. So, we'll go for the Zoom link basically. Why they're using the training link? They'll get the details from you, right? Do you enter the mobile number, email ID, and all, right? So, to get those details only, you're going for that. Okay. So, they'll create the Zoom link for you. It's not a problem.
By
Yes,
using
any other
class and
questions?
instance. You can write here class and instance.
Sagar, can you hear me? Guys, do you have any questions out there? Any questions, please? And today class recorded session, guys. Tomorrow I will share the recorded session about the today class. Okay, so tomorrow we'll share the recorded session for you. Not a problem. Yes, can you hear me? Any questions, please? I think everything is clear, right? What's the actual start data? No, guys. Today I will give the information about like what we are going to discuss the topics and what are the what are the things we are going to share with you regarding test papers and documents and all. Okay, duration of this course. We got the clarity, right? Tomorrow onwards we'll start the Java class, Java first class. So how many duration and Java developer, how much experience?
The group variables. Now class is meant for grouping variables. So we can also call class is a data. Tell me what is a class? Object, you understand. Object is a real world thing, which is an instance of a class in programming code.
Yeah. Sagar, he's listening other class. Supriya Deshmukh, check your site. Supriya, maybe that issue. Can you handle the both core advanced Java parallelly after 1 month of the completion of core Java? Yeah, yeah, exactly, Baba Wali. Hmm? Because 1 month you'll get some clarity about what is a Java, so that you will understand, like the next class, right? That's it. Sir, can you share the recording for this one? Yeah, definitely share the recording by tomorrow. I'll share the recording for this one. They'll upload this video in the YouTube, so that will tomorrow I'll share the link. Yeah, yeah. Bye guys. Tomorrow we'll meet and try to complete the formalities as soon as possible. Tomorrow.